Hi, I'm Juliette Hohnen and welcome to my gorgeous listing in Venice, California, 918 Millwood Avenue, also known as the Tulum House. Why did I call it that? Well, look at all the trees. It kind of feels like Tulum, doesn't it? This is a fantastic place to hang out and eat. Amazing indoor-outdoor vibe here. Let's check out the inside. So Venice is known for its charming craftsman bungalows and its big white modern boxes. Well, this is the opposite of both of those things. This is a beautiful, warm, modern home with incredible details. Look at the coffered ceiling, the beautiful fireplace. It's got an incredible indoor-outdoor feel. Just look all the way through. An amazing dining area, not just inside the house, but also out, and a very gorgeous kitchen with stainless steel counters, which I love, and great appliances. One of the things I really love about this kitchen is it's very clean, but it's also very warm in this beautiful wood that is all the way around, not just the cabinets, but even the backsplash here. And then, of course, we go to the swimming pool. Come check it out. So I know it's a bit unorthodox to be lying down while you're selling a house, but this particular area in this house is so zen. So what is it about this house that's so great? Well, there are two structures. Over there, you've got an office, you've got your laundry room, you have two-car garage plus two-car parking spaces outside, and a great bathroom that you can walk in, get rid of the sand, and go into the kitchen and to the rest of the house. So upstairs is the primary suite, connected by a skywalk. I guess we're going to have to go upstairs to check it out. There are so many beautiful details in this house. Look at the lighting under the banister here. Now, come and check out this area, which we have set up as a screening room. Everything is so clean and neat in this house. You've got 3 speakers on this side, a couple on this side, 2 amazing guest rooms on both sides. They have their own ensuite bathrooms. So if you look here, every detail is perfect. You've got these beautiful lights built flush into the wall. Everything looks continued. It's all really gorgeous. And now we're going to go to the primary bedroom. So look at the ceilings in this room. Again, beautiful lights, kind of concealed. Everything is built in. You've got these lights here, very handy electrical, whatever you need to do, maybe plug in your phone. Great doors that open out, again, indoor-outdoor feel. And then this bathroom with this stunning stone, a tub, which every British woman needs, and then a fabulous shower. Just look at the stonework in here. This place is absolutely gorgeous and so Venice. And the biggest selling point for me, a walk-in closet in Venice. Wow! And this is your iconic sunset shot. Check out those palm trees. So we're back where we started, but you know what? I've got to run because it's lunchtime and the restaurants in Venice are delicious. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes,